Hello everyone. Today we are going to learn how the digestive system works and how the organ works. So let's start with the how the digestive system works. So this is our whole body from a look from inside. So this is how it looks. We have this all colored part is our organs. And now first organ mouth. Then we have esophagus. Then we have stomach. Then we have large intestine, small intestine, and ulnas. Actually, there are so many organs in our body which can also come into the digestive system. But I have just taken the basic ones to understand it easily. So let's start with the mouth, and we are going to see that what are the function of the each organ. So mouth. So when we eat let's say we are eating a bite of an apple. So it will mix. First we will chew it, and by the tongue it will mix it with our saliva and passes through the esophagus. Esophagus is also called as food pipe, and it is just to travel the food to our stomach. Then stomach mixes the food item, is the apple, with the other juices of our body, and then it goes down to the large intestine. Large intestine takes out the nutrients, whatever nutrients apple has, it takes out. And then small intestine has the same work, but hardly it takes out. So nothing is left, and then unless take it out, remove from our body. So this is how the simple digestive system works. Now I'm gonna also tell you that how the organs are made. So over here, I have taken stomach for example, but each and every organ is made up like this structure. So first of all, from organs I have taken a stomach, and stomach is made of so many tissues. Tissues are made up of so many cells. Cells are made up of molecular. I have also did for this that when I in other video I have told that molecular is the most important thing to make any structure. So this is how it all comes to the moleculars. And now when our cells are damaged, molecular's work is to just repair our cells. So if our cell is not working in our body, then we are died. And that is why if cell is work in my body is because of the support of molecules, and it creates an energy and gives to the cells, and that cells gives to the tissues, and then tissues gives to the organ, and each digestive process works properly in my body and your body, and we are alive, and you are watching this video and I am talking with you. So this is how the whole organ is made up. Now I would like to just say one basic example which will always be in your mind if you watch this video properly. So we all say that is my house, that's my body. So let's just compare that both into our whole organ how the organ works. So my body, which let's assume as my house, and then that's my house, okay? And then in my house I have rooms. So this is my house. In that house I have made just one room. This is my room, okay? That's my one of the organ. You can just take any of this, okay? So this is my organ, and in organ we have the wall. Wall is tissues. So just take this front wall, which is our tissues. Now tissues are made up of the cells. So the bricks which I used, see this is, let's assume this one brick, and that brick is cells in my room, and in that cell I have moleculars, and you can see here over here I have used cotton to make my moleculars, and this is the how the whole organ works. So just remember this simply, which can also make you understand how the organ works. Hope you like my video. Thank you.